Hello guys and welcome back to TechniSite. In this video, I will teach you how to make your own logo for free in a very easy manner. So, let's get started. So guys, to get started, go to my video's description and search for the link I have posted. Click on that link and it will take you to this page over here. Now, Canva.com helps you make presentations, posters, Instagram posts, logos, and etc. Today, I will teach you guys how to make logos using Canva.com. So, let's get started. Click on logos, and over here, it will take you to this page. Over here, you have different kinds of options like templates, elements, uploads, text, backgrounds, and etc. So, to start off with, you need to choose a template you have to start with. So I'm just going to search for YouTube logo because I want to make a YouTube logo. So, and over there I can search for templates. I'm just going to take this one. Yes, and it's added to my logo screen. Over here I'm just going to change the text by clicking on on the text box by twice, and then I can change it like that. Now, for example, I don't like this photo over here and I want to change it. All I have to do is right click on it and over here say delete. Now, you over here, if you want to add another photo, you can go to elements and from there find photos. So, I want an electric photo for my logo. So, I'm just going to take this and put it like this. So this is how I can use it. And for example, I want to change its color. What I have to do is just click on the part I want to change its color, and then over here I can choose different colors for it, like just like that, guys. So, and what if you want to change your text's color? You can do it by the same way. Just select it over here, change the color. One second. There you go, guys. So this is how I changed the color and the logo. Now, let's go to the next element, uploads. Uploads is nothing but when you don't find something you want in the elements, you can just choose it from your Google web browser, save it, and then upload it from here to your logo. Next, text. What is text? Text is a section where you can get different amazing fonts for your text over here for your logo. So for example, I think I like this, so gonna use that. Just gonna delete this one like that. Over here I can just change the text, and if I want to reduce the size, I can just select it and just press on the minimize button over here. There you go. So this is how you do it, guys. Then background. What is your background? In this logo, my background is this black screen below this logo and this text. I can change my background by going to the background option and searching for backgrounds. So I think I like this one and I choose that, and look at this, guys. So this is how you do it. The next thing you want to know is about styles. What is styles? Styles is again nothing but if you want definitions, you can just use one of these to get like T with a different color, E with a different color and stuff. So this is all you need to know about this, guys. One more thing I want to teach you about this is animate. What is animate? When I go to animate, it will take me to some animating options. Like, let me just give you an example. Look at this, guys. So basically when you want to make the outro or in the intro of your video, you want some animations to come, so you can just use these animations, guys, just like this. So I just want to put this animation. Yes, so this is the way you do this, guys, and once you finish editing, you want to download it so that you can use it somewhere. So over here you have the download option. You can just click on that. Over here, download, and it will start downloading, guys. Once you have downloaded it, you can so let me just show you, guys. No thanks. Yes, so it's been downloaded, guys. Once it's downloaded, just go to your file manager, go to your downloads, and over here you will see that your thing has been downloaded. Now, guys, I told you that this would be a logo, but why did it become a video? That's because I had put an animation. If you wouldn't have put an animation, like, let me show you guys again. If I would have taken out this animation and then say download, then guys, yes, and then if you would go to download, it would become an image for which you could make a logo. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and bye.